Students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.15 in new edition. It's a special graph. We have completed problem number 1 and 2, now problem number 3. Graph the following linear function y that is equal to half x. Identify the constant of variation and verify it with the graph. Also, find y when x equals 9. Find x when y that is equal to 7.5. So, you are given y that is equal to half x. What form it is? Y that is equal to kx. So, if it is of the form y that is equal to k into x, we can say that is a direct variation. Okay, here what is the value of k? K that is equal to half is the constant of variation. Now can construct the table x and y, x in the first row, y in the second row. Since we have half, particularly 2 in the denominator, we have to consider the values of x as a multiple of 2 only. Generally can cancel 2 and the multiple of 2. So, I consider x that is equal to 2, then 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So, minimum of 7 x values have taken 8 values of x. Substitute x equals 2. If you replace x by 2, 2 to get cancelled 1. If you replace x by 4, 2 table, how many times? 2 times 2 ones are 2. Then if you replace x by 6, half of 6 that is equal to 3. If you replace x by 8, half of 8 that is equal to 4. If you replace x by 10, half of 10 that is equal to 5. If you replace x by 12, half of 12 that is equal to 6. Replace x by 14, half of 14 that is equal to 7. And replace x by 16, half of 16 that is equal to 8. Look at the values of x and y. X increases, even y increases. So we can say that is a direct variation. Now plotting points you know very well. The combination of x and y, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7 and 16, 8. So these are the points to be plotted in a graph. Then result at the end of the graph. Now we can go for that graph. Here we have the x values 2 to 16 and y values 1 to 8. So I consider in x-axis 1 centimeter equal 2 units, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Y values I consider 1 centimeter equals 1 unit only, 1 to 8. Now I am going to plot all the points. First point is 2, 1. 2 in x-axis, 1 in y-axis, 2, 1. 4, 2, 4 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis, 4, 2. Then 6, 3, 6 in x-axis, 3 in y-axis, 6, 3. Then 8, 4, 8 in x-axis, 4 in y-axis, 8, 4. 10, 5, 10 in x-axis, 5 in y-axis, 10, 5. And 12, 6, 12 in x-axis, 6 in y-axis, 12, 6. 14, 7, 14 x-axis, 7 in y-axis, 14, 7. The last one 16, 8, 16 in x-axis, 8 in y-axis, 16, 8. Have plotted all the 8 points. Then you have to join. Since it is a direct variation, you will be getting a straight line only. For indirect variation, you will be getting a curve. So we got that straight line. In that straight line, write the equation of that graph y that is equal to half x. That is the equation of a straight line, y that is equal to half x. Here it is, the given one. Okay, now we have to find out the value of y when x that is equal to 9. X that is equal to 9. X value is given, you have to find out the value of y, right? Here x value of 9 lies between 8 and 10 at the middle of 8 and 10, that is 9. From that point draw a line perpendicular to x-axis When it meets that straight line, from that point you have to draw a line perpendicular to y-axis. This line is perpendicular to y-axis. Where it meets, in between 4 and 5, what's the value? 4.5. X value 9, y value 4.5. So 9 comma 4.5 is the point. So when x equals 9, y that is equal to 4.5, that is the first subdivision answer. When x that is equal to 9, y that is equal to 4.5. Second subdivision, find the value of x when y that is equal to 7.5. So you have to search where is 7.5 in y-axis. Y-axis, here it is. We have 7.5 lies between 7 and 8, exactly at the middle. From 7.5, draw a line perpendicular to y-axis. When it meets that straight line, y equal to half x, at that point draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Where it meets, in between 14 and 16, exactly at the middle, that is 15. So x value 15, y value 7.5. What point it is? 15 comma 7.5. So answer, when y that is equal to 7.5, x that is equal to 15 is the answer. When y that is equal to 7.5, x equals 15. Have to write the result. Here it is. Y value 7.5, that is given. X value is 15. So graph exercise 3.15, we have completed problem number 3. I'll be teaching that problem number 4 in the next video. Thank you, children.